Hello. So I want to go over some of my trades, do a trade recap, but just to explain where the market was at the time. Tesla, hey, this is the prior day, and Tesla had gapped up um, near the $700 level. And so I was watching Tesla and Amazon, and Amazon was right here. So Amazon closed down here the day before, and it was gapped up somewhere near the 3100 level. And I was, when a stock gaps up like this, the market gaps up, I like to look for good setups and play off pivot levels like, um, this prior day high, prior day low, open and close of the prior, daily bars. So Amazon and Tesla were my main watches, and let me get to the recap and what I was thinking for these trades. So off the open, just a few minutes in, these are 1 minute bars. So on the 4th minute, I was thinking of playing Tesla 700 calls, but I did not go for it. I'm watching Tesla and Amazon. I was watching a couple others, but Tesla and Amazon are the only ones I ended up trading. So I'm watching Amazon here, 31.50 calls. They're about $50 out of the money, I believe. And I got a late entry here, but Amazon's a big mover, so I just jumped in. My original entry was supposed to be a break of high day, but because I had to type in the ticker in the chart box window, I was a little bit late. And also note that I do have another monitor with multiple charts up in thinkorswim, so and Amazon usually when it starts going, I mean it goes, and this was starting to slow down here. Or it starts to slow down in a second, but it just didn't have the MOMO that I'm used to. So I just got out of the trade, which was actually good timing because Amazon just stuffed right after. Um, so we gotta watch out. Now here's Tesla. Now what I like to do is wait for a pop, pull back, and then the first candle over candle. So there's a pop to the downside, and then there's an inside candle, and then I'm either gonna play upside or downside. I play downside right here. Get a put, and I'm just looking for a MOMO move. We're just trading the fluctuation in the contract price. So, I'm out of this trade. I'm up over 130 on the day. It's not that much, but I'll take it. Now here's Tesla. I'm gonna play Tesla to the upside. That break. Now my entries are a little late today. It's a little slower than normal. I should have, I was playing the pop, pull back, and then candle over candle. The second that broke, that would have been, that should have been my entry the second that broke, or just anticipating the break with the volume, It starts to build, just, in hopes that it's going to build higher. So, the thing with Tesla, Amazon, and the market in general, you got to take quick profits, because it doesn't have the MOMO like it did in 2020. So I'm playing Tesla to the downside. I'm long a put. And I see there's, bottoming tail, there's some wicks here. But I'm also noting that there's some topping tails, and this looks weak to me. It's below this trend line. It looks weak. Hopefully I can get a decent move here. See, if it was going to go against me, Tesla likes to just shoot right up, and squeeze out any shorts or put players. So, seeing if this can get them. Yeah, see, I took profits too early here. Um, You know, and that happens with me a lot, especially in the market conditions right now, because you know it just doesn't have follow through a lot of times. And I have also been waiting to take patterns later on in the day versus trading stuff right off the open. So I'm gonna play Tesla to the downside here. This is a bear flag, uh, and so this is a pop down, you know, pop whatever, a drop, and then a pull back, and then candle over candle. So yeah, see, I took profits too early here. You know, I got 73 cents on the contract, but actually, I think this time it was actually a good move because it just pulls back, you know, and then that just depletes the premium prices. So this is a similar move to the one of my first Tesla trades, but I took it to the upside this time. And it's struggling here. So is it going to keep going? Yeah, see, it's just tough, you know, to know, you know, do I take profits right now or do I let it run? And you know, today I did notice a pattern of more trades than not. I would take profits too soon, and I left a lot of money on the table. But you know, I'm up over 236, I believe, on the day so far. So you know, I'll take it. And this is a final trade here, I believe. Playing Tesla to the upside, 700 or 685 calls. Let's see, we got a pop, pull back. Now this candle over candle, I should take it. I'm in. Can I get a move? See, it's not. It should just boom go, just blow through that. Yeah, so that's it. I mean, I got $3 on that one. And of course, I missed the move. See, I went to get in, and I'm out of cash. I have a cash account with like 11,500 or so in it, and you know I can only use $11,000 worth of contracts for the day. And then, but options settle by the next day, so that's the great thing about options. If you have a cash account, I can play with 11,000, you know, 500 or so tomorrow. Versus if I had stocks, I had to wait till the third day. So that's it. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next recap.